The following steps to be taken care during carburetor cleaning. Ensure above mentioned tools are present. Turn off the fuel tap. Remove the resonator box cover by using 6 mm ring spanner. Dismantle the resonator assembly by using star and flat screwdrivers. Turn on the fuel tap. Start the vehicle. Fix the tachometer cable to the spark plug, HT cable and check the engine RPM. While cleaning the carburetor, vehicle should not off, so keep on throttling. First clean the carburetor pilot jet. Next, clean the main jet and piston valve. Open the air filter box cover. Dismantle the air filter assembly by using 8 mm ring spanner. Clean the air filter by using air gun. Clean the air filter box and rubber hose. Fix the resonator assembly by using star and flat screwdrivers. Fix the resonator box cover by using 6 mm ring spanner. Fix the air filter assembly by using 8 mm ring spanner. Close the air filter box cover.